Today we are going to talk about sequence and the series. First of all, definition of a sequence. A sequence is a function whose domain is set of positive integers and range is a real number. Means a function domain is a function from natural number to real numbers. Mean the domain of the function is natural number and the domain of range of the function is real number or set of real number. Different type of sequence. Number one, arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is denoted by an and its nth form is an plus n minus 1 into d, where an is nth term, a1 represents the first term of arithmetic sequence, n represents the number of terms, and d represents the common difference. Next, arithmetic series. First of all, series means the sum of the terms. It may be arithmetic, geometric, harmonic, and so on. And arithmetic series is represented as Sn is equal to n by 2 a1 plus an, or Sn is equal to n by 2 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Next, arithmetic mean between two numbers. Arithmetic means, if we represent the arithmetic mean between two numbers is am, then the arithmetic mean between two numbers a and b is a plus b divided by 2. Next, we have the sequence geometric. Geometric sequence. Its nth term is an is equal to a1 r power n minus 1. Where an is the nth term of geometric sequence, a1 represent the first term, r represent the common ratio, and n represent the number of terms. So geometric sequence is a1 r power n minus 1. Next, geometric mean between two numbers. Geometric mean. Geometric mean between two numbers represented as gm is equal to plus minus ab square root. If a greater than 0, b greater than 0, then the geometric mean is equal to plus ab square root. If a less than 0, b less than 0, then the geometric mean equal to minus ab square root. If a greater than 0 and b less than 0, or a less than 0 and b greater than 0, then the geometric mean doesn't exist. Next, harmonic sequence. First of all, we discuss the geometric series. Geometric series. Sum of geometric terms Sn is equal to a1 into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 when r is greater than 1, and Sn is equal to a1 1 minus r power n divided by r minus 1 when r less than 1. Next we have the harmonic sequence. Harmonic sequence is basically the reciprocal of arithmetic sequence, and its nth term is h is equal to 1 divided by a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Next, the harmonic mean between two numbers. Harmonic mean between two numbers represented as harmonic mean is equal to 2ab divided by a plus b. Next, we have the sum relationship between arithmetic, harmonic, and geometric mean. Relationship between arithmetic, harmonic, and geometric mean. First one is arithmetic mean always between two numbers is always greater than geometric mean, and geometric mean greater than harmonic mean. Let we have any two numbers, then arithmetic mean between two numbers greater than geometric mean, and geometric mean greater than harmonic mean. Next, second relation is square of geometric mean equal to the product of arithmetic and harmonic mean. Mean g square is equal to a cross h.